Welcome to FamilyHomePlans.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do a search for garage plans. So once you're on our website, which is FamilyHomePlans.com, you're going to use your mouse to come over here to where it says Garage Plans and click on that tab. You have some different options available. You can search all garage plans, or you can select one from the list in the navigation bar. This includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 car garage plans, as well as some unique styles like barn style, carport plans, garage apartment plans, garages with boat storage, and more. So let's do a general search. We're going to go first to search all garage plans and click that button. And this will bring up most of the garages that are available, and they're going to be displayed here in the order of their popularity. Now you can just go through the list and click on the quick view if you need more information about a plan. This works really well if you're not quite sure if it has all the features that you need, and if you don't want to leave the page. So on the left side you'll see a quick search button. The quick search box has different options. We can search by how many cars in the garage. So 1 car, 2 car, 3 car, 4, 5, or 6. If you select all plans, it's not going to specify any specific. So what I'm going to do is 2 car garages today. Under that you'll see garage options. This includes different unique elements. So garages with an apartment, garages with boat storage, with loft space, office space, a workshop. So what I'm going to do is with an apartment today. You can specify the number of stories you want. There are garage apartments that are single level. There's also garage apartments with double level or 2 levels, so I'm going to choose that one. And you can select the max width and depth of the garage if you have a smaller lot or if you have a certain amount of space to work with. What I'll do here is set it to 40 and 40. Alright, now above the search box you'll see that there's 154 matching plans. That's a pretty good number to start with. If you needed something smaller, or if you didn't want to take quite as much time looking through plans, you could try to make it a little bit more narrowed down. But I'm going to go ahead and click Search Plans to show the results. Now, like I said, I have 154 plans available. I can scroll down to see what plans are there, and if I need some more information, I can click on Quick View. Now that'll show me the elevation of the plan. Also give me the floor plans. It'll give me the specifications and pricing if I want to get started. If I decide to go with this plan, I can click on More Details to read more about the plan, or I can add it to my cart and go ahead and purchase this plan. If you're not sure which plan, you can always give us a call. Our toll-free number is 1-800-482-0464, and we're open from 9 o'clock a.m. to 9 o'clock p.m. Monday through Thursday, and from 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. on Fridays. Thanks for watching.